guys, and welcome back to Exhaust Notes. So it's the weekend, that can only mean one thing: car meet. So today we're headed down to Dana Point to meet up with Morning Car Club. They always put on a great event, and we love car meets. All right, guys, we finally made it here to morning's day. We made it. We're here. Cars are here. All right, guys, we're here, and it's so far an incredible turnout. We got a little bit of everything: some old school, some new school, some exotics, some Euros, a little bit of JDM. So let me take you on a walk around and show you what turned out. Pink R8. It's fun. Super clean Audi TT, love this spec. BRG on bronze. This might be the best spec TT I've seen. Got the saddle brown interior. This green just hits hard on this bronze wheels. Just looks really, really good. A couple of McLarens, both in Papaya Orange. One gloss, one matte. I'm not sure which one I like better, actually. The gloss hits hard, but the matte is super different, especially on the 720S. Love that. And of course, we are in Dana Point, so we got another Rari. No shortage of Ferraris here today, folks. 911. I think this is a Cabrio Turbo. It's got the side intakes. Yeah, Turbo S, Cabrio. Maserati MC20. And it's very, very nice, kind of, I don't know, pearl red. You don't see these too often. I always enjoy seeing them though. It's kind of refreshing, something different, you know, outside of the McLarens and the Ferraris. We of course love seeing those, but to see something a little bit off the beaten path, a little different, super nice. I love this carbon fiber that they've got here. It's kind of not really a spoiler. It's just kind of additional body work that looks like the factory integrated into the rear end, but it does look really nice. Initially when these came out, I wasn't really sure how I felt about the wheels, but they've actually grown on me quite a bit. And of course you can see the carbon ceramics hiding behind those. Very good looking car. These are gonna be a common theme on the channel because you guys know, anyone that's been following or has watched my previous videos knows I'm a sucker for a GT3 RS. I just love them. Styling, the track capability of it, the stance, the look, the sound, the pedigree. I gotta have one. And eventually I will. Just a matter of time, guys. Just a matter of time. Stay focused, work hard, we'll get it. Another 911. I believe this is another GT3 actually. Not quite sure. And then we've got I believe this is an 812 Superfast. On some really nice MV forged wheels. Yellow calipers, carbon ceramics of course. 488 Spider. In this gray with the yellow. This color combo is always really good. I always like the contrast of the kind of the mutedness of the gray with the pop of the yellow. Those diamond stitch seats look really good as well. Carbon fiber accents here and there, little pops. Looks good. This is a grouping of cars that I really wanted to see over here. A couple of E30 convertibles, extremely clean. This motor looks familiar. I think This is an N54, I believe. You guys can let me know, but interior is ultra clean. I mean, look at that. Sheepskin inserts. On the chrome BBSs. Really can't go wrong. And then right next to it, you get the white E30 aired out on the Hartkas. Engine is extremely clean. Black NSX on BBS LMs. This is kind of dream spec. Recaro pole position. I'm sorry. Recaro Sportster CS. Alcantara steering wheel. Oh, he's also got it supercharged. This is a great spec. This is a really nice build, guys. Really, really nice. Paint looks flawless. So he's got more power, more comfort, all the handling and high revving capabilities of an NSX. Love this. So guys, we've been walking around, checking out all of the cars that are here at the meet. And I gotta say, there's some really good cars here. Some stuff that we've never seen before, and some cars that we don't mind seeing time and time again. I did speak to Aldo, the organizer of morning, and they will be having this meet at least once a month. So really looking forward to that. Trying to speak over this GT3 RS that just started up. But yeah, always a good time here at a morning's meet. Here we got one of my favorite cars of the past, I don't know, 10 years. Ferrari 488 Pista. Can't go wrong with a red Ferrari. It's got the black and silver stripes, black and red on the interior. Of course, you see that motor through the rear glass. The performance of these things it's just incredible. And the looks, I think this is one of the best looking Ferraris in recent day. Those side intakes, just really aggressive in carbon fiber. Of course, the gold wheels, carbon ceramic brakes. Monster of a car. Another GT3 RS. Gold wheels. I think these are still mag too. I know they come in mag blue, but I want to say these are like a mag gold. It's got the Papita. Of course, it's a Weissach package. This active rear wing. Of course, in carbon fiber. Love it. These things are track monsters, guys. If you didn't know, they are built for speed, they are built for handling, they are built for the Nürburgring. But of course, we have people that have the means to enjoy them here on the street. Very soon I'll be one of those people. I gotta speak it into existence. I'm hoping, wishing, praying that I can get there. This is something that I don't think I've ever seen. This is an S3. I mean, it's a hatchback. Usually we see A3s, S4s, but an S3 on BBS. I think these are E88R or LMR. I'm not sure. I'm still learning my BBSs. I'm getting better at it a little bit the more I see them. But this is Very, very different. It's got the Recaro pole positions with the Papita inserts. Super cool yellow color, and I really don't even like yellow cars that much, but this one looks really nice. I like it. And the hatchback design just looks like a fun car to drive. Got an RS5 and a lovely green on HRE flow-formed wheels. See straight through the hood to the turbos. It's a nice look. And then we got some bikes pulling up. ZX10R, Ducati 950. All right, guys, well, that will do it for this episode. We had a great time, as we always do, at all of morning's car events. So we're gonna take off from here, enjoy the rest of our day, maybe grab some Yogurtland. But until I see all of you guys next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And until next time, peace.